Good morning, happy Saturday. I hope you're having a wonderful start to your day. I'm super grateful to be alive today. I'm feeling great. Just finishing up here at the gym. And what I wanted to talk to you about this morning is meal prepping. I believe it's a really important part of the process if you're on a weight loss journey looking to start one and living a healthy lifestyle, because it helps you keep healthy foods, readily available in your fridge in a container ready to go for when you're hungry to bring to work with you, and so it just helps with taking the temptation out of what happens when you don't have, food available in the fridge that's healthy or in containers. When you get hungry, you tend to lean towards what's quick, fast, and easy, right, and convenient. And that's usually going to be things that are just not the best quality of foods for you, especially if you're actively, looking to work out, to better your health and so forth. So that's why I think it's really important to make the time to, go to the store and buy the right kind of foods and at least have it in your fridge. So that you're ready to go with things. As an example, the last few days I haven't been eating the best. Just bare down to nothing in the fridge. I haven't had time to get to the store with the schedule. And so, the last couple of days, just again, not really eating what I'm supposed to be eating. So that's why, it's super important to make the time, especially at the beginning of the week when you have some time available, just to go to the store, make your grocery runs, have food readily available, put some things in the container so you always have something ready to go. So when the week gets chaotic, you're just set for what you've got. So just kind of the message here for today, really stay on top of it. As I've said before, for sure, nutrition has always been the toughest thing I've struggled with our journey, still trying to figure it out, still trying to, stay on top of things all the time. But I think it's just always constantly making the stride to improve and get better, and maybe I can do some videos, on prepping stuff, of maybe doing grocery store runs and what we buy at the store, stuff like that, to, maybe, just help out. Obviously, I'm not perfect, but, if I can show anybody something, just give you an idea of what it might look like, or, things like that, that hopefully can help you out, then, it helps me out too, because then it'll help me stay accountable on those kind of things as well. So, with that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Remember, meal prepping, just buying healthy food in general at the store for your fridge at home, it's just going to help you along the process to make better choices and not lean towards temptation, especially when you're hungry. When you're hungry, you tend to throw everything out the window of what you should be eating or what you need to be eating, because your stomach, tends to take the wheel on that. So that's why it's really important, right? When you're hungry, you just, whatever, looks good and it's quick and fast and close by is what you grab for. So again, I hope you'll have a great rest of your day.